for me, arguably recidivism is a focus that in many instances is the concern of correction officials for people who incarcerate. This is why evidence is so important, so we could change that narrative, so that we could put up other indicators that say, wait a minute, there are people who are civically engaged once they're released and have taken college programs. So for me, it's all about the evidence as well as the narrative. And I think we have in this country relied upon correction, the institution that is corrections, as well as law enforcement, to kind of set the narrative about what is important. And this is why I'm so excited about, HEP programs, is because we're changing the narrative, whether through the process of these programs engaging students inside of facilities, or when people come home